Good evening everyone. So I'm Pilaring Balaro from Batch. So yung topic po natin today kay Mr. Russell o yung topic po na nakalagay sa YouTube account or channel ni Mr. Russell is all about namatay. Bakit namatay ka na kay Cristo? Or in other terms, something like that. So, syempre, wala ko po pagkabasa doon ay parang medyo meron akong kalituhan na na-feel or like tama na-feel. But when I watch the video, I understand the context and why Pastor Russell brought that as a title. So, naintindihan ko po na hindi naman talaga like physically or like reality talaga yung sinasabi na matay na kay Cristo. It is more like spiritually. Dahil like ano lang po siya, connected po siya when it comes to baptism. Dahil pag sabihin doon like namatay tayo kay Cristo is we're about to yung mga sins natin we were able to tawag dito, hindi ko maisip yung word, pero yung napapakawalan na natin yung mga sins natin, napapakabayan na natin sa Panginoon, and of course yung old self natin ay napapalitan natin ng ating new self. So when we say new self is kumbaga yung mga wrongdoings na nagawa natin before in our past, we particularly we correct them in a right way, or most likely yung mga bagay na hindi na mga bagay na kasamaan na nagagawa natin before ay nagkakaroon na tayo ng conviction, and of course si Lord is nire-redirect na tayo sa path na gusto niyang mangyari sa atin at gusto niyang tutunan natin sa Kanya. So, in that way, nakaka-lessen tayo ng mga kasalanan. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng new self that way. So, in that way, nakikita ng Panginoon yung heart natin and talagang nababago siya, or let's say, nabibigyan ng pagkakataon yung bagong pagkataon natin upang magkaroon ng relationship with our dear God. And of course, mas nagkakaroon na tayo ng relationship with Him, we were not able to avoid our wrongdoings in our old self, in our past self. So in that way, God will be able to give us our life, or a new life, or rather mas magkakaroon ng kabuluhan yung pagpapatuloy natin buhay dahil kasama na natin si Lord sa mga decisions in life natin and sa buhay natin, at kasama na natin siya all throughout mga nangyayari in our daily life. So we should be thankful and grateful for Him, because He was still want us to be in His side, and of course patuloy na pa tayong pinapatawad. So thank you Lord, we love you Lord, and God bless everyone. Have a blessed Wednesday ahead. Bye.